Approve and digitally sign reports. Walk through requesting, assigning, and digitally approving pre-execution, test execution, release and requirement document reports with secure signatures for compliance. Select a project to get started. Access detailed analytics and insights by clicking the Reports menu. View shared reports for seamless team collaboration and transparency. Select report category for which you want to add signature. Kick off the report approval workflow by requesting sign-off from stakeholders. Add a new approver to streamline multi-level report endorsements. Select an approver from your team for fast, accountable approvals. Send the approval request instantly to keep your process moving. Confirm approval with one click for swift, paperless sign-off. Enter your digital signature PIN. Finalize your digital signature to make your approval legally binding. Close the model and return to your dashboard with all updates saved. Quickly copy essential test report details for easy sharing or documentation. Choose Execution as your report template to focus on test activity results. Generate your customized execution report in just one click. Check real-time approval status to track document sign-off at a glance. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos from SpurQuality.